Today, we're working on a 2017 GMC Sierra with a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine. We found a faulty DEF injector on it, so we'll be replacing this DEF injector. Some of the first steps that we'll take in removing this DEF injector will include removing the two coolant hoses, removing the DEF feed line, and also the electrical connector. Now we want to do these steps first because the DEF injector is mounted flush to the exhaust and it has 3 locating tabs that have to be situated properly. Along with these 3 tabs, it also has a V-band clamp wrapped around the base. You can see now that we've installed the new DEF injector on the vehicle. This includes installing the V-band clamp and seating the injector properly, as well as making all of our necessary connections such as the DEF line, the coolant lines that run to the side of the injector, and also the electrical connection. After all of these steps have been completed, we now will still have to install our inner fender liner and also clear any of the DTCs that are in the vehicle. As well as after we're done with that, we will want to do any of the follow-up service procedures that are required according to service information. By following the service procedures laid out in service information, we went ahead and reset the NOx catalyst reductant load according to service information. And then now you can see that on the scan tool, we are in the reductant system malfunction warning service bay test. So here we've got it in progress. Now on this next screen here, you can see that our test passed successfully and we've verified that our repair is complete. Hopefully now you know how to replace the DEF injector successfully on a 2017 Duramax.